This video is just a pile of a bunch of things. I got a mini bike, got it running, rebuilt it, engine swap, drifted the quad a bunch. I broke the engine and stuff on that too. Stripped the quad down for another engine. Just a bunch of random things. This video is just a compilation of everything.
Oh, bro, what are you doing?
Oh, who put gas? One pole.
Look at that chain.
Look at my hat.
Shetty builds here. The mini bike exploded.
Pretty much.
What? You went shopping.
Oh, we should grab a shopping cart.
No, that'd be sketchy.
God. Watch the curb. I think. How'd that one go for you, buddy? Let's see the damages.
It's fucking broken already.
We got.
He's done.
This was a pretty random video, just a bunch of random stuff from the past couple months, but in the next ones, I hope to engine swap the quad because now it's fully stripped down and ready to be modified. I want to stretch it a bit and put like a 420cc or something like that in it. And I have a project car coming that I'll probably make a couple of videos on. And I'll make a bunch of videos on other projects and stuff.